Next up, chemical sourcing for Crown. In this we need to dead drop a bottle of sulfuric acid, dead drop a bottle of hydrogen peroxide, and finally radiation blockers. This is pretty simple, but we need to look through hidden stashes in order to find these. It's quite a lust to try and search for them, but we can do it somewhat easily. As for sulfuric acid, you'll more than likely find this in the Kushai complex. So when you go down there, you can search a bunch of boxes and you'll find tons and tons of it. It looks like this with an S on it. So I'll go ahead and take this in, which is great. I'd highly recommend you get them from the Kushai complex, and there's tons and tons of it down there, so there's really no need to explain further than that. Just look inside of boxes when you get into the Kushai complex, extract with it, and it'll stay in your inventory. As for hydrogen peroxide, we can find that inside of hidden caches, and radiation blockers spawn practically everywhere on the map. This is a pretty simple mission, it's just a bit annoying to get done. Okay, so I'll go ahead and dead drop the sulfuric acid, and just like that, the first part of the mission should now be done. Sweet. So now I'll head all the way over here to this little outcrop by the Al Malik airport, as there usually is a ton of hidden stashes there that should be able to help us get everything we need. Obviously it's not guaranteed, but it should be pretty good. Okay, so we'll start looking here. Nothing, followed by nothing, nothing, then nothing for... there might not be any here. This one? Nope. AQ laptop. Bruh. And there we go, we finally found what we're looking for in a hidden stash, or hidden cache, whatever you call them. You'll find these all over the maps, though most likely you'll find it all the way down here in the airport, as there's tons of them wrapped around this little hut section here, as well as two just on the inside over here, one here, and one there. Anyways, now all that's left to do is to get to a dead drop, and radiation blockers should be the easiest to find. Let's go to the Albagra Fortress dead drop, and there we go. That's the second part of this mission complete. Now all we need to do is find some radiation blockers. You'll most likely find these inside of medical stashes on walls in bathrooms and hospitals, but you can also find them elsewhere, for example here. And hey, would you look at that, we found it in this bathroom here. Sweet. All we need to do is dead drop these as well, and the mission should be done. And there we go. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.